Before you add any oil to your vehicle, you'll need to check its current level. If you are not sure how to do this, please see our how-to guide on checking engine oil on our YouTube channel.
Today, we are going to show you how to top up your oil. All you need is oil and a funnel.
Depending on your vehicle, the engine oil you need can vary, so make sure it's the correct type before using. There are many funnels available on the market. If you are super careful, you might not prefer to use one. We already know this vehicle is low on oil, as we checked earlier using the dipstick. On the engine, you will find an oil filter cap. It's normally on top of the engine and will have an image of an oil can. On this vehicle, our one is located here. If you can't find yours, check your car's owner manual. Oil caps will come in various styles, and here are a few examples of what to look for.
Make sure you always keep this safe.
Put it next to it so you don't forget it. Yep, some of it's coming out. That's enough. Then you need the tissue.
Can I get tissue, please?
Little.
Thank you.
And you may need the tissue to wipe the end of it.
Make sure you add the oil in stages and check the oil levels on the dipstick. This way you can never add too much. This image shows what you are aiming for.
And always put this back when you're finished. And that's how you refill your oil. These tips will help you stay safe on the road and save money to keep your car in a tip-top position.
Tip top.